Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to save contacts in Google Drive. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to the Gmail ID of the account with which you'd like to save your contacts in. After doing so, go ahead to the three-part menu on the top left corner of your screen. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the contacts option under Google Apps. Tap on it. Now, all the contacts that you have saved in this account will be shown under this list. However, if you do not see any contacts and you'd like to move the contacts from your device to this account, then go ahead and tap on your profile icon that appears on the top of your screen. Tap on device. Now all the contacts that are currently available on your device will be shown up under this list. If you tap on the three dotted icon, you'll be able to see the option of select all. Once you've selected all, tap on the three dotted icon again and tap on move to another account. Now select the Google account to which you'd like to save this contact number to. After doing so, you'll be able to see the contact has been saved in your Google Drive, and this is how you can save contacts from your phone to your Google Drive in an instant. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.